What are wetlands? The definition of the word wetland under the convention is any land area that is saturated or flooded with water either seasonally or permanently. Inland wetlands include aquifers, lakes, rivers, streams, marshes, peatlands, ponds, floodplains, and swamps. Coastal wetlands include all coastlines, mangroves, salt marshes, estuaries, lagoons, seagrass meadows, and coral reefs. Why should we care about wetlands? Traditionally viewed as wasteland or a breeding ground for disease, wetlands are vital for humanity for a number of reasons. Wetlands provide fresh water. Freshwater wetlands give us our water for basic drinking, cooking, and washing needs and for irrigation. Wetlands feed humanity. Rice, grown in wetland paddies, is the staple diet of nearly 3 billion people and accounts for 20% of the world's food. Wetlands are nature's shock absorbers. The wetlands within river basins act as natural sponges, absorbing rainfall, reducing flood impact, and this same storage capacity also helps safeguard against drought. Mangroves and coral reefs reduce the speed and height of storm, surges, and impact of tsunamis and hurricanes. Wetlands are critical for biodiversity. Wetlands are home to more than 1 lakh known freshwater species, and this number is growing all the time. Wetlands are also essential for many amphibians as well as for bird breeding and migration. Wetlands create sustainable products and livelihoods. More than 660 million people depend on fishing and aquaculture for their livelihoods. Wetlands also provide timber for building, vegetable oil, medicinal plants, raw material for weaving, and fodder for animals. Wetlands are disappearing fast. Recent estimates show that 64% or more of the world's wetlands have disappeared since 1900. Some of the main causes of the degradation and loss of wetlands are major changes in land use, especially increased agriculture and grazing, water diversion through dams, dikes, and canalization, infrastructure development, particularly in urban areas, river valleys, and coastal areas,